About this item: 5pack 6ft USB 2.0 cable, super fast charging time, conforming to the USB Type-C specification version 1.1, 56 kOhm, standard identification, which ensures a safe charging at 3.0 A maximum. No damage to your legacy USB hub, perfect 6 feet long cord, enjoying the data sync and charge anywhere and anytime. Durable nylon braided cord. The cable has a durable nylon braided design with premium aluminum housing and sturdy nylon fiber cover adds premium durability to the cable, which makes it easily survive everyday usage and gives it a more stylish and elegant appearance that goes great with your expensive gadgets. The adherence to USB-C specifications ensures 2.4A 3.0A safe charging, pull-up resistor, 56K, and safety of your gadgets. Durable and extended in experience. Sturdy construction has connectors with molded strain relief for frequent unplugging and durability. Robust USB Type-C connector clicks into place for a snug and secure connection. Superb backup charging, compatible with any